Verb: what is garlic? Benefits, best time to take it, and how to use it. Complete guide for YouTube. Garlic is one of the oldest and most powerful natural remedies known to humanity. Scientifically known as Allium sativum, garlic belongs to the onion family Alliaceae and has been used for thousands of years in cooking and traditional medicine across cultures including ancient Egypt, Greece, China, and India. Today, garlic is not just a kitchen ingredient, it is considered a natural superfood because of its powerful medicinal properties. In this complete guide, we will explore what garlic is, its health benefits, how to eat it properly, the best time to consume it, and precautions you should know. Seedling: what makes garlic so powerful? The main active compound in garlic is allicin. Allicin is produced when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. This compound is responsible for garlic's strong smell and most of its health benefits. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds, vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, selenium, antioxidants. These nutrients work together to improve overall health and protect the body from many diseases. Biceps: top health benefits of garlic. Keycap 1 boosts the immune system. Garlic strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight infections. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Regular consumption may reduce the severity and frequency of colds and flu. People who consume garlic daily often experience fewer seasonal infections. Keycap 2 supports heart health. Garlic is widely known for improving cardiovascular health. It helps lower high blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, increase HDL, good cholesterol, improve blood circulation. Studies suggest garlic can reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed regularly. Keycap 3 controls blood pressure. High blood pressure, hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Garlic has been shown to naturally reduce blood pressure levels, especially in people with hypertension. Its sulfur compounds help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Keycap 4 helps manage cholesterol. Garlic may reduce total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. This helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries and lowers the risk of atherosclerosis. Keycap 5 natural detoxifier. Garlic supports liver function and helps detoxify heavy metals from the body. It enhances the body's natural cleansing process. Keycap 6 improves digestion. Garlic stimulates digestive enzymes and promotes gut health. It may help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. However, people with sensitive stomachs should consume it carefully.